Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheermao, where you can find the latest travel blog, useful educational materials, and life coaching sessions. But before we will start, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and share this video to your friends. And so today's topic is the continuation of our last video about how to make an action research. This time, I am going to share to you the step-by-step procedure on how to create your action research. I am pretty sure that you are all excited to learn and make that first action research in your respective schools. Okay, let's begin. Here it is. In my last video, you have already seen the basics of action research. So this time, I'm going to present to you what are the guidelines on how to make an action research, and I will be demonstrating to you the parts of the action research with a sample. And this sample was one of my action research last school year 2018-2019. So I'm going to present that one to you so that you will have a background of how to create this action research. So to begin, here are the guidelines in conducting an action research. First, identify the issue and problem. Second, define the solution. 3, implement the solution. And 4, analyze the result. And 5th, take further action. So these guidelines in making action research is based from Curlin's basic action research model. First, you are going to observe and then reflect. After reflection, you need to plan your action. And then you are going to perform that action. So what are the action research format? So basically, these are our format in our division. So first, you have the basic information, the research title, the proponent and institution, research project components, duration, total budget requirements, and the source of funds. In the second part is the technical description. You have the rationale, general objectives, significance of the study, scope and limitation, research questions, research design, research locale, research respondents, research instruments, data gathering procedure, findings and analysis, conclusions, further actions done, and bibliography. This is an example of an action research, but I'm just going to show you the action research proposal part. Okay, so based on this example, the first part is the research title, which is High School Dropouts, Understanding Student Dropouts of the name of the school, the proponent. So you put the name of the proponents of this action research, and then research project components, the duration, like this, the number of months this action research will be done, and then the total budget requirement and the source of funds. It could be coming from the MOE, coming from the canteen, or whatever you get the source of this fund. For the second part, for the technical description, we have the rationale. In the rationale, there should be the first paragraph, which is the introduction. It could be a global or national problem. This is where the thesis statement. In the second paragraph, you will indicate the local problem. while in the last statement or the last paragraph, you will include there the statement of purpose after generating all those problems. So you have to come up with a resolution in your rationale. For the second part, which is the general objectives, you are going to give the general purpose. At the same time, you are going to specify each objectives or specific objectives. Next is the significance of the study. So here, you are going to explain who will benefit on this action research. It could be the principal, the guidance counselor, the teachers, or the students, or even the community. Next is the scope and limitation. Here, you're going to state the scope and limitation of the study, the respondents, the number of months that you are going to conduct the study, or which school you are going to conduct the study. Next is the research questions. So you are going to state here the specific research questions that you are going to answer in the next part of this action research, which is the findings and analysis. So these questions should be answered in the part of findings and analysis. So you are going to answer this one by one, each questions. Okay, next is the research design. You are going to explain in this part the research design that you use in this study. It could be mixed method, qualitative, or quantitative research design. You can also state what sampling design that you use in this. Next is the research locale and the research respondents. You all just have to indicate the location of the research conducted, where the research is conducted. Next is the respondents. So who are your respondents? So you have to state the respondents of the study. Next is the research instruments. So you will specify here what instrument did you use in this study. Next is the gathering procedure. Here you're going to describe how you conducted the action research. And lastly is the bibliography. So you are going to cite those references that you use in the study. It could be AFA format or Chicago format, depending on your division. Depending on your divisions. So that's all. I hope you have learned something about how to make action research. Hope this will be your guide to do your first action research in your respective schools. So I hope you have liked and you find it interesting. So I hope you will continue to subscribe my channel and hope to see you for more videos, for more educational videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.